In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in ERPNext. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save a new domain so it's properly set up in your system. First, make sure you're logged into your ERPNext account and you're on the main homepage or dashboard. From here, we'll use the built-in search bar, which is usually located at the top of the screen. This search bar is the quickest way to jump to different parts of ERPNext without clicking through multiple menus. Click into the search bar and start typing the word domain. As you type, ERPNext will show you a list of matching options. What you're looking for is the option labeled Domain List. This is where all your existing domains are managed. Once you see Domain List appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. You'll now be taken to the Domain List page. Here, you can see any domains that have already been created in your ERPNext instance. To add a new one, look for a button or link that says Add Domain, usually found at the top right of the page. Click on Add Domain to open the form for creating a new domain. On the new domain form, you'll see a field where you can type in the name of the domain you want to add. Click into that field and carefully enter your domain name. Take a moment to double check the spelling and format because this information will help categorize and organize different areas of your ERPNext setup. Keeping your naming consistent with how your organization works can make it easier for your team to understand and maintain later on. Once you've typed in the domain name and you're happy with it, the next step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, again usually located at the top right of the screen. Click Save and ERPNext will create the new domain entry for you. After saving, you should see your new domain listed along with the others in the domain list. At this point, your domain has been successfully added and is ready for any further configuration you might need in your specific ERPNext setup. That's all there is to it. Search for domain, open the domain list, click Add Domain, enter the domain name, and save.